What is going on, guys? My name's Aiden, and today, obviously I haven't done any videos at all, like, in about 2 months now. Last video I did was Just-Aiden 2K15 Extreme Rules. I have stopped that series now because I didn't really find anything interesting in it, like, at all. But today, I'm actually, me and my mate, Carlo, say hi, Carlo.
Hi.
Right, I'll say Carlo. Me and my mate today, obviously, oh man, go away. Before I went out to my youth club, me and Carlo decided when I came back, we would go up Mount Chillad on our racing bikes, little mountain bikes. So guys, we are at the skate park at the moment. I'm just going to go and actually put a waypoint marker on Mount Chillad. If you don't know where it is, guys, obviously now look on this map, and I don't even think I know where it is myself.
I know where it is, but I don't know how to get home to.
We'll find a way.
I don't know where the waypoint is. I just know.
Whereabouts is it?
Follow me.
No, cause I might get lost or something. Found it. I think we'll put it about right there, guys. Right.
I'll see you there.
Have Carlo wait off and we're coming now. So guys, this probably video will be in like a part. Oh, pardon me, sorry. This video will be in parts, so I don't know how many parts we'll do, but normally, obviously those videos let me go up to 15 minutes each time, so these videos should be like about 15 minutes long each. Oh.
I'm trying to think in my head where to go. Like, I couldn't see it on the map for GTA.
See, like I'm going a different way to you.
I'm just going the way my head is going.
So guys, this now looks like it's going to be a race. Where the hell are you going, Carlo?
I don't know. I'm just going where my head is kicking.
You're going to the beach?
No, I'm going to the motorway, so they go away.
Oh, okay.
This was my head going to be pink, so it's hard to get the chili out of it.
Oh! I didn't see that, Carlo.
And hopefully we won't do any fights.
Yeah.
Some cars. Or unexpected things that we hit.
Yeah, anyway guys, this video quality probably will be really, really bad. I'm sorry, but I can't help anything at the moment, but I should be getting some new camera software soon, and it will be the iPhone 5C. Obviously, if you saw the first round in the first kind of trailer / video I did, that was better quality than these qualities, and it's not.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Mount Chillad. I'm going a different way to you. No, I'm going a different way. Yeah, obviously the first video I ever did was better quality than these videos now. And that was because I was on the iPhone, and now I'm on a Samsung. I don't know what make, but a Samsung something.
iPhone is much better?
Yes. Yeah. In my opinion, iPhone is like 10 times better for apps and recording. I don't know how long it's going to take.
It would be very weird if you were in real life and you were just flexing on a motorway.
Yeah. Can you imagine?
Cars would be just like, beep, beep, get out of the way, person speaking up, you're not out on the motorway. I don't know which way you're going, Hayden, but...
I'm going the original way. You're going the different way. I don't go that way. I go the
I mostly go this way to Colito Bay or Mount Chillad.
yeah. Whereabouts actually the same distance right now, or we're just on different sides? We'll probably end up meeting up like really, really soon.
Yeah, keeping in my head where to go.
Quick shot.
I sort of have a map where to go in my head.
Yeah. So guys, I'm sure up there is Mount Chillad. That is right there is Mount Chillad. If I'm positive. Oh, I might not be.
I don't know if I'm going up to Mount Chillad or am I just going up to a different mountain.
Yeah. I'm thinking that's Mount Chillad. By the looks of it is.
Yeah, you went much faster away. I should have followed you.
It looks like I'm going around the way.
No, nothing.
Oh yeah, Carlo, I'm going down a hill.
Oh God.
That's why you press R1 and you don't even pedal, because friction on the road takes you.
No, it's the wrong way.
I don't even know if you can hear that, guys, but you can hear the tyres on the road, and yeah.
No, I went the absolute totally wrong way, where I just had my head kicking me.
I'm sorry, right, Carlo, but if this GTA 5, I'm sorry, but there's so many more things to do in it. Like, I probably was like, I've had this like nearly, I don't even know how long has this game even been out for?
Well, GTA 5, it has been out since 2013 or 2014.
Yeah, about that. So it's like 2 years, 3.
Was PS1.
No, I mean this one.
Oh, it's like 2 or 3 years. No, not 3, 2 years.
2 years.
Maybe.
So this game's been out for 2 years, and there is still things to do on it. So I like GTA 6. Yeah, but I don't even mean that. I mean like the update. Yeah. Like GTA 6, I don't know where that's going to be set, but I can tell you that's probably going to be bigger than this, obviously.
Yeah, I once found on my phone, I found my HTC, it said that something about GTA 6.
Yeah. I don't think anything's been released yet. I don't know actually about GTA 6.
I think GTA 6 is going to be in 2016 or 2017.
Nah, it won't be yet because like you need to think about it. GTA 4 was like I don't know how long that was out, and then GTA 5. And, yeah, a few years distant.
GTA 4, I don't know how long it was out, but GTA 5 was like 2014 or something.
Yeah, like I think like GTA 4 was like 2009, wasn't it? Yeah, it was 2009. And then, like
GTA 5 was 2009.
yeah, I'm saying 2009 or 2010. Yeah, nah, it wasn't 2011. It was like 2009 or 2010. But like that's like 4 years difference, and like so you need to kind of like think about it. GTA is like really really big. So you need to think about how long it takes you like to draw the mountains and all that.
Yeah, that's why they started creating like this game instead of GTA.
Yeah. Oh, there's that new game coming out that Rockstar didn't. Yeah. There's that new game that Rockstar was releasing actually. I can't remember. It's like LA Noire. Have you played that before, Carlo?
Huh?
LA Noire. Have you ever played it?
What's that?
LA Noire. Were you that detective?
Oh, yeah, LA Noire.
Yeah.
I have that.
Well, Rockstar was meant to. LA Noire was like, I think it's gonna be like Rockstar's new game, but I think it's like where you're a policeman or something like that. But it's set back in the 80s.
Yeah, I went the totally absolute wrong way.
Yeah.
Where the hell is my head?
We are coming up now at 8 minutes and 20 seconds now, and
So we don't need to somewhere instead of, or you already on Mount Chillad?
I can see Mount Chiliad, put it that way, and I'm right.
Can we just meet up at the start of Mount Chillad or something?
Yeah, considering there's going to be like 3 parts to this, I'll meet you up at the start.
The moon is so skinny.
Yeah, no, I like how they made the moon on this. It really looks nice, like truthfully.
It doesn't even look like the moon.
Where is it? I don't know where the moon is.
What is skinny?
Oh, you can turn your Carlo. You can turn your light off on your bike. I didn't know that.
Yeah, me too. I should go to that now.
Break dance now. That was like the best like disco ever.
I might get you to the captain.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, but I'm kind of very shy at it.
You'll learn. Blame me. You'll learn.
I was always shy at, standing up and speaking.
Yeah. I don't like stand up and speaking. I was
I was always there to shy.
Yeah, I stutter when like I stand or like I'll get like nervous like when I'm in front of people. But you'll learn. It's because there's a camera there and like no one's watching you in front of you, but people watch you on videos. It's like kind of really different.
And one of my friends called 942224, and he has a YouTube account. So maybe go
I'll wait for you, Carlo, for a few minutes. Just say away pan at me, I'm stood still now, so go away, Martin, honestly. Again, guys, I apologise, I haven't done any videos in ages, but I've had obviously nothing to record with. I don't really... Yeah, no, neither is just there isn't a gamer, but Joe Suck hasn't really, hasn't he? But he's really good. But
after that, we should have more of a combat. He's like gone.
yeah, he'll be probably doing other things, won't he?
What's that?
Yeah, guys. Anyway, like I haven't had a lot of things to record with, and like obviously this is like the phone I've got now, so and obviously I don't know if it's bad quality. I wouldn't say it's terrible, but I would class it as bad. But I didn't really think you would want to see this, but because I was really like buzzing to do a YouTube video, because obviously I hadn't done one in ages, and yeah.
Sometimes YouTubers need to take a break.
Yeah, they do. BC Carlo, I took a really big break. Like, how long ago did I have my iPhone? Like, I had my iPhone nearly 4 months ago now, and like that's when I last did my YouTube.
About a month ago.
About a week ago. So guys, as you can see, oh yeah, I forgot to mention this, guys. Now, to pass the time, my Carlo is fully coming up to me. I have some clothing on. Obviously, guys, maybe this seems like I'm copying Vanos, but I was just doing it for like kind of a outfit, because obviously I don't like making outfits like different outfits like clothing. So I covered up.
As well.
Yeah.
I'm not really copying.
No.
Just for fun.
Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna show you them actually.
I'm telling you, my H2O delirious doesn't really look like
Yeah.
H2O delirious.
H2O delirious is like surprisingly has to, because none of these characters look like him.
Like he's like the only H2O delirious. If you look like him, it won't work.
Yeah.
And from the front, when you're trying to see him, you look like him, but when you look at the back of him, no.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna quickly show you all my outfits. So this is the geek one. Obviously, I don't know why I called it geek, but it looks like one. That's a tennis one. Pounders fan. Vanos gaming, as you just saw there. Whoa, look at his head. Like, watch his head enlarging. Mad. Night Owl. Also, Vanos is gaming superhero when he versus like Bane and all that.
What?
Dracula.
Can you call again? Owlman?
No, Night Owl. Night Owl. Yeah. I don't know. Shit. Crashing in there. Dracula, Men in Black, and H2O Delirious. So guys, it's coming up 14, no, not 14, I'm gonna probably stop it when it gets to about 50 seconds, not 50 minutes. And then, you'll obviously see the second part. Yeah, we'll do part 2, yeah.
It does not look like H2O
I know. CDMP just rang me.
CDMP just what?
CDMP on GTA. I can't, I closed it down because I thought it was singing. Oh, wait, don't. Do it in a minute, Carl. Yeah, right, I'll do it in a minute. Right, so guys, it's coming, like, right. So guys, it's going to be ending now. Alright, so guys, I will see you in the second part. Goodbye.